Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, should I will talk about ASUS Radeon RX 6750 GRE Megalodon graphics card. So friend, ASUS has custom line design exclusive for Chinese market. It aims to cost effective and does not include extra like RGB lighting and factory overclocking. The ASUS RX 6750 GRE 10GB model for this launch, and this is significantly stripped down version compared to the 12GB model, and it features a lower TDP 170 watt was 230 watt and fewer cores 2304 was 2560 and less memory 10GB was 12GB. So friend, the card shipped with AMD standard clock game mode up to 2450 MHz in boost and 2189 MHz in game, and which match AMD reference clock. A quick check suggests this card was listed some time ago, but it was highlighted in post on X Twitter. And the downside is that purchasing this graphics card outside of China is difficult. But on the plus side, most gamers can still find the RX 7600 XT more readily. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.